Hello, today we are doing the phosphate test, and in this test we are testing for levels of eutrophication. This is measured by mgl ppm, milligrams per liter, parts per million, PO4, which stands for phosphate. In this test you have to be aware of the items that we're going to be using. One of them is glass, and if this glass is to break, this will present a safety hazard and you might cut yourself. So be aware of this at all times and make sure that the glass does not slip off the table onto the floor.
You start off by inserting the long path viewing adapter into the comparator. And then the second step is fill a tube to the top with sample water. Insert the tube in the left opening of the comparator. Fill the bottle to the 20 milliliter mark with sample water. Add 1 phosphor-3 phosphate reagent powder pillow to the bottle. Swirl to mix. Wait 8 minutes while swirling until the sample water turns blue. Can you stop and start again? Shake vial for 8 minutes until the water turns blue. Then pour that vial into the water testing tube. Fill it to the last line. Next, insert the second tube into the right opening of the comparator. Hold the comparator so a light source is directly above the tubes. Rotate the color disc until the colors in the front windows match. Then divide the reading in the scale window by 50 to obtain the mgl of the phosphate.
If the water was drinkable, the reading would have to be 0.1 or lower than 0.1. The levels that we got from the test was 40. When this is divided by 50, we come up with the answer of 0.8. This would render the water undrinkable and would need to be cleaned. This is probably due to the fact that fish once lived in it. Phosphate is produced from animal waste, so that would prove correct.